crack my back again?
Again? I do this for you all the time. Wait, this isn't actually gonna get you out of pain. Come down to the floor. What we need to do is work in the front. So nice and slow, come directly over top of the towel, right over top of the belly button. And now let's start connecting to our breath. As you inhale, expand your belly in towards the floor. As you exhale, make the belly nice and small. We need to find pain to get out of pain. Now, once you spent a minimum of 3 minutes here, you wanna place your hands under your shoulders, exhale, up and off, and make sure you repeat that daily.
How'd you know how to do that?
Because I follow Quinn from Block Therapy. He teaches me how to get out of pain really fast.